Good evening and welcome to my end of the week recap here for Apple and trade plan for next week. Just like last week, this should be a quick video. Um, let's see here. On Monday, I did nothing. Tuesday, I bought these 5 July 197 calls here at 345. Held through this little bit of pain. Nice gap up. Worked extremely well the next day. Reduced some at 440 and took the remainder out on this little bit of a dip here at 515. Very nice trade there. Capitalized on a nice gap up and at least made up for some of the SPY trade that went haywire. Um, into Friday, had a very nice bottoming call here. Took these 12 July 200 calls at 291. Price action ripped up through the opening price of the day, so I went ahead. I added into these at 385, which is very close to high of day. Even from that point, they did go up another, I don't know, 15, 20 contract. Did not close out. Reason being, this is a swing trade for a pattern that I'll get to momentarily. Once it came back down, two test lows had the exact same type of bottoming trigger that's set up here, so I added into them at 305. My average is now 335. Holding these over the weekend with the thought that G20 does turn out positive. I'm not in it deeply. I'm in it to where it will suck if I take a loss on it, but it's what I'm willing to put at risk going into G20. Now, right now there is a nice bull flag that has set up. There was also another pattern here. I believe it was like an inverted head and shoulders that does have a measure move up to approximately 208. So that takes us to this prior trend resistance that has set up over here. Anywhere between 208 and 210 is my overall target for this play. Right now, what has happened is we put in a flag, we broke out, we're consolidating, we're holding above the apex of that level as well as my significant moving averages for my trading purposes, and it looks like we're going to base and move higher. In order to confirm that, I believe bids over $200 will confirm that this is a base and we're going to break above this uptrending quote unquote resistance or price profit target, however you want to look at it. Now, I am looking for a break above 202.15 with G20 on the horizon and the positive news we've already had. It's probably going to happen on Monday, so we'll see what happens with that, and these will turn out very nicely as long as there's no other bad tweets that come out. If this does fail, I will close out pretty much immediately on Monday if there's a gap down and look for a swing trade off of the 2150 down here or the 200 SMA down here. For now, that's all I'm looking at doing. Excuse me real quick, take some of these lines off here. Price action hasn't really put in as strong of a candle as the SPY as far as a bullish engulfing bar, but the monthly has retraced a significant portion of May's drop. And onto the weekly candle is just an indecision bar. We've reclaimed the bottom of this indecision level, this battle bar. Likely chance that we have of moving up to the high of it, which is around 208.90. So that takes me up to that measure move as well. So for now, that's what I'm looking at. Hopefully it happens before earnings. Maybe we get a run up before then. If not, we'll see what happens. So for now, that's my plan for Apple. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good weekend and good luck on Monday.